Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm smiling because there's some positive changes happening with BOXYCHARM. So I wanted to pop on here. I'm waiting for Allure box to get here, I swear to God. But anyways, I wanted to share some stuff that came through on my email. So I was on the phone talking to my aunt in Michigan, and I saw this and got totally distracted. And I was like, wait a minute, you gotta focus, lady. So listen. This is the 411, if you haven't already heard it somewhere else on social media. BOXYCHARM sent this email, and I'll put a clip at the end of the video for you guys to pause and read it for yourself. The email states this: introducing BOXYCHARM 2.0. Hello, Charmer. We're always looking to improve the Charmer experience. So we're excited to introduce new membership benefits and the new BOXYCHARM Premium. What? What we got going on here, y'all? Are they coming for each other, aren't they? I knew they weren't gonna sleep. They from Miami, okay? We don't sleep on business, you know what I mean? So I knew when the box was lurking around and Ipsy bumping things up, I was like, BOXYCHARM not gonna let that. They not gonna let that be. So let me tell you what it says. Customization, new starting this November. Test complexion swatches for products better matched to your skin tone. Choices: new BOXYCHARM subscribers select one item in their box every month. BOXYLUXE subscribers will select 1 to 3 items from their BOXYLUXE every 3 months. Add-ons: new. They hyping that up. New. Oh boy. Add more beauty products at member exclusive prices with free shipping. Let me say that over. I'm just grinning my head off. Add more beauty products at member exclusive prices with free shipping every month. But that's not all, y'all. Oh no, that's not all. Then we got Boxy Pop-Up, more beauty and lifestyle product deals at up to 80% off will now be available every quarter. I gotta run that back. I'm taking a moment to read this, so I'm learning with you. We're doing this together. More beauty and lifestyle product deals at up to 80% off will now be available every quarter, with the next one being in November. Value: the BOXYCHARM box will now have a value of over $125. So it's up from the $100 mark every month starting this November. And then it's a little bit of more information, so I'm going to try to read this without fudging it up. To deliver this ever-improving member experience, we're updating the BOXYCHARM price to $25 per month starting November 1st. BOXYLUXE price of $49.99 every 3 months remains the same. To lock in your BOXYCHARM box for $21 per month for a limited time, sign up to a prepaid subscription before Monday, September 30th. I will be doing that. That's not all. Oh, look at them. That's not all, y'all. No, that's not all. This November, we're excited to launch BOXYCHARM Premium, a new and even bigger monthly beauty box featuring 6 to 7 beauty products valued at over $175 for only $35 per month. Initial quantities will be limited, so sign up here now to know when the wait list opens. I don't know who I thought I was. You know, you have to put your aunt first, but I kind of wish that I had read this 2 hours and something ago, because I hope that this list is not already closed. In the last paragraph, it states, the best part is you don't have to wait. Choose for October box opens today. Choice. Hello. For October's box opens today, and September add-on starts Tuesday, September the 24th. Follow BOXYCHARM on Instagram stories, Facebook stories to know the time. Choice and add-ons open more benefits, new box. BOXYCHARM just keeps getting better. We can't wait. Holla, holla, y'all. Holla. Look at me. I was just going through. Listen, this is no bull jive. This is like my little list because I was doing my makeup today. And like I told you guys in my review video, I'll pop a card up above, that I was cleaning out the station. And so I have a very concise, like, this is my little inventory. So I was writing down different things that I needed to purchase the next time I go into Costco's, Ulta, or Sephora. And as I was doing my makeup today, I used a lot of stuff that came from BOXYCHARM. A shitload of stuff from BOXYCHARM. They nail it. And so for them to raise the bar like this here, you guys, your girl is happy. I was happy. So, and I'm going to say this and close out the video. I find that between BOXYCHARM and now being with Ipsy Glam, which has also gotten grander, but we're not here to talk about them. We're giving BOXYCHARM its spotlight. I thought, you know, hey, this helps with all your wraparound products. And one is even sending foundation. You have another one trying to get to that place as well. And I'm like, the only thing I really have to do when I'm going for like beauty products is like concealers or a particular lipstick or maybe an eyebrow pencil. My in-store purchase price has reduced significantly, as well as the frequency of my visits, because I get a lot of this stuff every month. So that's where we're at with it. I'll put my BOXYCHARM referral link in the comment box. It's in the description box in case you haven't signed up and now you're pumped up like I am. Then you're welcome to use it. You guys talk to me. What y'all think about this exciting news? Thanks for watching. Look at the end of the video because I'm going to screenshot all of this and put it at the end so you can read it for yourself. I don't have an iPhone, so I can't video and record, but we're fixing that. My daughter them has it, and they like get on me all the time. But anyways, thanks for watching, y'all. Peace.